Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. So you've got your HP NV6458E printer and you're ready to get it connected to Wi-Fi? In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step instructions to connect the printer to Wi-Fi. By the end of this guide, you'll have your HP NV happily printing over Wi-Fi. So let's start with the first step. Alright, first things first, make sure your printer is turned on and head around to the back of your HP NV6458E. Now, right below the power button, you'll see this round wireless button. Press it and hold it for about 3 seconds. That will put your printer into setup mode. Next, swing around to the front of your printer and check for flashing purple light. That's your green signal that the setup mode is active. Now grab your smartphone and make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi network you want your printer to use. Head over to your App Store, download the HP Smart app, and either sign in with your existing HP account or make a new one. If you need help downloading the app or setting up your account, I've got separate videos linked in the description. You can pause this one and check them out anytime. Once you're signed in, open the HP Smart app, go to the home screen and tap on Add Printer. On the printer setup page, select the new printer option. Now, select your HP printer series from the list. That will make sure that the app talks to the right machine. The app will start searching for your Wi-Fi network. Just hang in tight for a sec while it does its thing. When your network pops up, type in your Wi-Fi password and tap on Continue, and your printer is connected and ready to roll. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.